This brand offers units that are made in Mexico by Allied Air Enterprises, which is owned by Lennox International, and are basic builder-grade models that are usually sold by Lennox or Armstrong air dealers. The 4HP14L is a basic heat pump that uses timed defrost instead of demand, which is less energy efficient. The units are relatively loud with sound levels close to that of standing on the sidewalk and having a bus go by. They have louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage and factory-installed filter/dryers to protect the refrigerant system from moisture, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The warranty on the heat pumps is not as good as many of the other brands, as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer any models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium or Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.